To begin, we'll create a file to define the necessary variables for our deployment. This file will be automatically loaded by Terraform when we run our commands. Next, we'll consult the official Terraform registry documentation for the PAM self-hosted on Azure module. We need to identify the required input variables for our deployment. We'll copy the names for the storage account ID, container name, file name, and location into our variables file. These variables tell our Terraform module where to find the installation package and where to deploy the resources. Now, let's retrieve the required values from our Azure portal. First, we need the storage account ID. We'll navigate back from the container to the storage accounts overview page. The easiest way to get the full resource ID is by clicking on the JSON view and copying the value from the resource ID field. We'll then paste this into our variables file. From the storage account, navigate to Containers under Data Storage. Copy the name of your container. In this example, it's PAM on Cloud, and paste it in. After that, we'll locate the file name. Open the container and find the installation zip file. Copy the full name of that file and paste it as the value for file name. Finally, we need the location for our resources. We'll go back to the storage accounts overview page and copy the location value, which is Southeast Asia. We'll paste this into our file. Now our Terraform variables file is complete and ready for the deployment.